On most radiators, the filler neck is fitted with a pressure cap. The cap contains a spring-loaded valve that seals the cooling system vent. When the engine heats up, the coolant expands, causing pressure to build up in the cooling system. The radiator cap is designed to maintain the pressure within a specific range. This pressure is essential for preventing the coolant from boiling at lower temperatures and facilitating optimal heat transfer. Typical radiator cap has 3 sealing surfaces. The coolant recovery seal is the one that closes off the top of the radiator filler neck. The other 2 sealing surfaces are the cap's 2 valves, a pressure valve and a vacuum valve. These 2 valves are also used on caps that seal a coolant reservoir. Pressure valve. The pressure valve on a radiator cap is a crucial component of your car's cooling system. It is a type of relief valve specifically designed to manage pressure within the closed-loop cooling system. The pressure valve relies on a spring to keep it closed. The spring tension is calibrated to a specific pressure rating. As the engine heats up, the coolant expands, increasing pressure within the system. When the pressure surpasses the cap's rating, the spring gets compressed. Once the pressure overcomes the spring's resistance, the valve opens. With the valve open, excess coolant and pressure are channeled out of the radiator and into the coolant overflow reservoir. This prevents a dangerous pressure buildup that could damage the radiator or hoses. Vacuum valve. The vacuum valve protects the radiator as the temperature of the coolant drops. When the hot liquid contracts and takes up less space, the pressure within the radiator decreases, causing the spring-loaded vacuum valve to open. Any excess coolant that had flowed into the recovery tank during warm-up is then drawn back into the radiator through the vacuum valve. This mechanism allows coolant to re-enter the system as it cools down, preventing the radiator components from collapsing under the partial vacuum. According to the Society of Automotive Engineers, all radiator caps must indicate their nominal pressure rating. Most original equipment radiator caps are rated at about 97 to 110 kilopascals. When replacing a radiator cap, make sure it matches the pressure rating of the original. Be sure that the radiator is cool before removing the radiator cap. If you remove the radiator cap when the coolant is hot, the pressure can cause a sudden surge of hot liquid to spray out. This can result in severe burns and scalding.